Most businesses already know they have problems: late deliveries, customer complaints, rising costs, defects, missed deadlines. The difficult part is not spotting the problem. The difficult part is solving it properly without creating new problems somewhere else. This is exactly why DMAIC exists. DMAIC is the core improvement framework used in Six Sigma projects. The letters stand for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, Control. The goal is simple: solve problems systematically using data instead of assumptions. DMAIC became widely used through Six Sigma programs at companies like Motorola and General Electric. The framework works because every improvement project follows the same logical sequence instead of jumping randomly between ideas and solutions. The first stage is Define. This is where the problem gets clearly identified. Most improvement projects fail because the problem statement is vague. Improve quality, reduce delays, make customers happier. Those are not measurable problems. DMAIC forces clarity. Imagine an e-commerce company where 22% of customer orders arrive late. That becomes the project definition. 22% of orders ship late. The target is less than 2% within 90 days. Now the team has a measurable goal instead of a vague ambition. The second stage is Measure. This is where teams collect real process data instead of relying on opinions or assumptions. The company analyzes the last 3 months of orders. They track exactly where delays occur: inside the warehouse, during picking, at packing, or during courier collection. This stage is critical because many businesses attempt improvements before fully understanding the current process. Measurement creates visibility, and visibility changes everything. The data reveals something surprising. Most delayed orders never even leave the warehouse on time. Now the project moves into Analyze. This is where the team identifies the root cause instead of reacting to symptoms. One of the most common Six Sigma tools used here is the 5 whys. Why are orders shipping late? Because picking finishes too late. Why? Because picking lists are generated after lunch. Why? Because the system was configured years ago and nobody updated it afterwards. Now the real issue becomes visible. Not lazy staff, not the courier. An outdated process nobody questioned for years. This is why root cause analysis matters so much in Six Sigma projects. Without it, organizations often waste huge amounts of time fixing the wrong problem entirely. The fourth stage is Improve. This is where solutions get tested and implemented carefully. The warehouse changes the picking list generation from 1 p.m. to 7 a.m. Pickers begin earlier. Orders are prepared before the afternoon courier collection. The company pilots the change for 1 week instead of rolling it out everywhere immediately. This is important. DMAIC encourages controlled experimentation instead of reckless changes. The results are dramatic. On-time delivery improves from 78% to 95%. Customer complaints begin falling almost immediately. But many improvement projects fail at the final stage: Control. Without control systems, processes slowly drift backwards over time. Old habits return, shortcuts appear, the same problems quietly reemerge 6 months later. So, DMAIC creates systems that hold the improvements in place. The warehouse introduces a simple daily check. Did the picking list generate at 7 a.m.? Yes or no? If it fails once, somebody notices immediately, instead of waiting for customer complaints to rise again. That is the power of DMAIC. It creates structured, measurable, sustainable improvement, not emotional reactions, not random brainstorming, systematic problem solving. DMAIC works best when businesses already have an existing process producing measurable defects, delays, or variation. It is especially effective in manufacturing, logistics, healthcare, finance, warehousing, customer service, and operational environments where performance can be measured clearly. The framework matters because most organizations jump straight into solutions before understanding the real problem. DMAIC slows the thinking down. It forces clarity. Measurement, root cause analysis, controlled improvement, and long-term sustainability. The companies that improve consistently are usually not the ones making the most changes. They're the ones solving the right problems systematically, using data instead of guesswork. Explore free templates, calculators, courses, videos, and software tools at simplicityhub.co.uk. SimplicityHub, making things simple.